Hello, 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 hello. Welcome to my channel. It's called Cooking My Way with Sister Faye. I'm Sister Faye, and I hope y'all having a great day. Okay, let's get started. Today, I will be making some good old down-home baked mac and cheese. So let's get started here. My water is boiling. So I'm going to add a box and a half of elbow macaroni. I'm going to give that a stir. Gonna give it a stir. Now, I'm gonna add 4 tablespoons of butter. It's 4 tablespoons of butter. Now, you don't want these elbows to cook all the way. You want to like undercook it, just slightly, just a little. I'm going to add my salt in now. And then it's just like 1 tablespoon of salt. While that's cooking for like a minute or two, I'm gonna put on my cheese sauce. This is 1½ cup of milk. And I sliced my cheese up already. So I have extra sharp cheese. I have mild cheddar cheese. I have sharp cheddar cheese. I'm going to put all this in here. I beat my egg up already. I'm going to put this in here with it. Just the egg white. I don't use the yolk. 2 egg whites. Give that a swish. And we want this cheese to come to a boil. I'm going to turn it down because we don't want the cheese to burn. Okay, that should be good. Nobody want no burnt cheese. Okay, this is good. Nobody want no burnt cheese. What I'm going to do now is drain this macaroni. So I'm going to set the drainer inside the sink. And just drain it out. Then you just pour it back in. Okay, I'm going to set this aside. Constantly stir this cheese. Turn it up just a little. You definitely want it to come to a boil. Now my cheese came to a boil and I'll melt it up. Turn the stove off. Bring these rollies back over here. And I'm going to mix it up right in this pot. So what I'm going to do is pour all this yummy, yummy, yummy looking cheese. Making a mess. That's what I'm doing. Making a mess. All this yummy looking cheese. Yummy, yummy. In your tummy. Stir it all up. Stir it all up. I'm going to add my seasoning in it. I'm going to add a tablespoon full of seasoned salt. Tablespoon of garlic salt. Well, teaspoon. Just half of a tablespoon. Garlic salt. And a teaspoon of onion powder. I'm gonna sprinkle like 4 or 5 things of black pepper. Mix this all up very well, very well. Now, what I like to do is add a little sour cream in it. Give it a more rich flavor to me. This is a big old spoonful, like. Good old days of sour cream. It's sour when you taste it alone, but you mix it with different other types of foods. Especially like banana pudding. Oh my goodness. I like to butter the pan just a little, you know, don't want it to stick. Just a little piece of butter. Goes a long way when you're buttering this pan here. Don't take much. Not all of it. Not all of it. Just like half of the back. Even it out. I'm going to cut the sharp cheddar. Cheese inside. Y'all saying it's a lot of cheese, but it make it taste so good. It's not good for you, but it tastes good. I don't know. I'll be constipated in like 2 more days. Now I'm gonna pour the remaining of this pot in. Yeah. I'm going to put the remaining of this cheese, the cheddar cheese that's left, right on top. And on top. Like I said earlier, I have my oven on at 350. Preheated at 350. I'm going to put this baby in for like 40 to 45 minutes. Use your own judgment when you're making yours. And I'll be back. Okay, we like 35 minutes in now. What I like to do is sometimes the elbows get a little hard on top. So I like to wrap it up for the next 10 minutes. I'm trying to get where they're getting here. You wrap it up. I should have did it 5 minutes ago. Now you put it back in for like 10-15 minutes. Then you don't have to worry about the elbows getting burnt or, hard around the rim. Okay, this baked macaroni and cheese been in the oven now for like 45 minutes. Time for this baby to come out. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. You can't beat that with a baseball bat. Beautiful. Okay. Let me try this. Southern baked macaroni and cheese. This is really good. And I'm not just saying it because I made it. This is really good. I know the people down yonder say they put their foot in that. But I rub my toes in this. It's so good. I rub my toes in this. Can't stop. Can't stop eating. But I want to thank y'all for tuning into my channel today. I really appreciate y'all taking the time out to see what I'm cooking. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and that red subscribe button. Do it for a sister. Thanking y'all in advance.